6 days without a shower, and it's sitting at 10 degrees. Not exactly prime shower weather, but that's van life. After a slow morning editing, I finally got a small window before the sun disappears. Time to set up the tarp, fire up the hot water, and just get it done. Alright, I just spent the last half an hour setting up this. So here we got a shower head. Now we're gonna go test it out. I got my awning up. It's just a couple tent poles, old tent poles and a PVC pipe. It's nothing really special, but hey, it's a little bit of privacy on a road in case, somebody comes by. So I've got a hose coming down here. And the hose, well, actually, I'll show you this first. So I got my on-demand propane hot water heater. We just need to hook up the propane. Once it's hooked up, then we can actually have a shower. But I wanted to show you guys this. This is like ingenious. This is amazing. So this is my 12 volt, 100 amp hour boat battery that I bought. And I bought it specifically for the boat and winter van life. When you need a little extra power, oh, you guys are dirty. So when you need a little extra power to run your laptop to do a bunch of video editing, and then I charge it up on the generator when I actually pull out the generator. So instead of, using the batteries in the van to drain them really, really low and then spend hours driving to get everything charged up, I bought this. I've got the pump ran into a foot valve with a strainer, and then basically a milk jug to keep it up off the ground so it's not sucking up dirt and stuff. And then we've got a second strainer here, and then I wired it because this is an actual RV pump. I don't even think that's waterproof, so I gotta be careful that doesn't get wet. And then a power switch connected to my battery. Now, check this out. This is so cool. You can't even hear it running. It is whisper quiet. Oh my goodness. My last one was so loud. All right, so we just got to check, make sure there's no leaks, which there is. Oh my goodness. Whoops. I put it on the wrong one. So, brass, water, silver, propane. Got it. What is going on there? Is the shower gonna work? The shower's gonna work. Well, what is going on here? Okay, I might have a solution to this problem. Just gotta shut the pump off. I got this thing right here. I wonder if I can screw that on, see if that will work. All right, looks funny, but it works. It's attached. It's the same thread size. It looks like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's got a crack all the way down the side. So I'm wondering, when I left it in the van, I had water inside this hose and it just froze, cracked, and destroyed my shower head. So got to make sure everything doesn't have water in it, because we still have a few winter situations we got to go through, like heading home over the pass. Now, this sucks because it doesn't have an on-off switch on the actual shower head. So the only thing I can do is just test to make sure everything else doesn't leak. So we're just gonna hit the power button. The hose is starting to fill up. At least there's no hose there, no there. We got no leaks here, and the shower seems to be working. Sweet. So it's too bad I didn't have a longer power cord, because then I could actually just turn it off with the switch, you know? Oh well, it is what it is. Let's shut it off, hook up the propane, and have a shower. All right, let's give it a quick test just to make sure everything's working properly. We're gonna flip this switch on, and it should fire up automatically once we flip this power switch. Which sucks that it's all the way down here, but oh yeah, she's getting warm. She's getting warm, all right. Oh yeah. Whew, that's hot. Just gonna adjust this down a little bit. Oh, that's perfect. You kind of see the steam coming up. Time to go get some clean underwear out and have a shower. Turn this off. That was a good shower. Man, that was a beautiful shower. Could not complain at all. And I just realized that I got a little switch here, so I can actually turn the pump off from here without having to go all the way down there. So I'm wondering if I should put this like under the van where I'm showering. So when I'm showering and I'm done, I can just flip that switch, go get changed, come back out, and then put everything away, since I don't have a switch at the shower head. Or I'm just gonna have to find another one of these. If you guys know the link, if you guys could find this for me and post it in the description down below, or maybe later on I'll find one and see if I can get it delivered locally, because it works great. I have no problems with it. I mean, albeit I had to set up a few things. There was a couple fittings I had to put on the new pump. This is actually the first time I got to use this pump. The old one was really loud. I did not like it at all. And then I found this one and it works perfectly. Now, the only problem I had was the shower head. So I'm gonna tear everything down, put it all away. I should have had a fire going before I had my shower. And then when I'm done with having a shower, got dressed, I could have sat here for a few minutes. But I'm not cold. But I was lucky enough to get it done before the sun went behind the trees. So all in all, it was a success. All right, let's get everything tidied up. I'm gonna tear everything apart, put it all away. I think I'll have a campfire here in a little bit. Pull out the steak and enjoy a little bit of campfire before we leave the area. I don't think I'm going to be leaving tonight. I think we'll pack up early tomorrow and we'll be heading off. Yeah, today's been kind of an interesting day. I ended up editing the video a little bit later than usual. We had a little bit of a late campfire last night, so I didn't quite finish my video getting it all edited to get uploaded for today, and I'm still uploading it. And well, I've got a few trees in the way. Well, let's hop in the van, make another cup of tea, and then we'll hop out and make a campfire. Okay, so I'm just gonna hang out by the fire for a little while, relax, and enjoy this beautiful view for one more night. And then we got a little bit of project we can do in the van before we call it quits today. And I'd like to bring you guys along with me, and I'll show you guys what I've got going on. But for now, I'm gonna enjoy this last little bit of blue sky before it disappears and turns black. Enjoy this warmth from this beautiful fire and hang out for a little while. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey, welcome back. So I have this idea a while back. Well, I saw a video anyways, and I wanted to make a new bracelet. So I pulled out my paracord and I thought I'd give it a try. And I am watching a YouTube video, by the way, but it doesn't matter because I'm not going to put that YouTube video on camera. Anyways, I've got my paracord here. I think I've got everything I need. I just need a lighter. Oh, I should grab my scissors. Oh well. I'll grab my scissors when I need them. And then let's build a bracelet. This one's a unique pattern. I don't know if you guys know, but I have made a bag full of bracelets. I've given a bunch away to family and stuff like that, but it's time to make a new bracelet because I've had this one in mind for a while now. It's in my playlist for a while. I've been meaning to make it one day when I don't have Wi-Fi, and right now I don't have Wi-Fi. Alright, I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Alright, so project is done. Now, these things are so difficult. Sometimes you gotta, if you pull a little too hard, it totally kind of just takes your pattern off. But there you go. It's all done. It's all finished off. And in an emergency, I could tear this apart and then use it as like, I don't know, probably like a 14, maybe 16 foot rope, maybe, if I'm lucky. But to put it on, it's pretty easy. Oh. And they kind of just rest like that. So I've got one more like this, but I don't know what color to do it yet. So my favorite colors are orange, yellow, and red, but orange is my favorite color, as you can tell. So yeah, that's my little project for today. It's a shower and a bracelet. That's kind of my video. So sometimes you gotta have something to do while you're in the van. And while it's dark outside and I was done with the campfire and I wanted to build a little project. But I'm gonna put this away and get ready for bed because I'm getting tired. So we'll see you guys on the next episode, which is tomorrow. We're going to be continuing on our little adventure. Now, I'm excited. We're going to go get some gas, probably see some waterfalls, another lake, and who knows, we'll see what else we can find. But if you guys liked what you saw, remember to hit the subscribe button. If you liked the video, remember to hit the like on the video. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.